Hello students, in my previous videos, how to assign IP address to the PC, how to assign IP address to the router, and how to assign IP address to the default gateway, and how to check the IP address and how to check the IP address given to the system PC is correct or not, and how to in real time mode how to send the packet, whether communication is taking place or not properly. So all that I will cover today. It has been not properly recorded in the previous video, so only these topics I will cover in detail in today's video. So let us take the PC first. Go to the end devices, select the PC, place it on a workspace. I'll take one more PC, select, keep it on another place. To create one LAN, I am using two PC here. For the second LAN, local area network, I'll take one more PC, and the fourth PC this side. So these two PCs for creating one LAN and these two PCs for creating another LAN. So to create the first LAN, I am choosing switch. Go to the network devices. Under that, select the switch. So in this switch, the first switch I am taking and place it here, 2960. And for the second LAN also, I want one more switch. Click on this and place it here. Okay. Now, how to assign IP address to the individual PC, I'll show you here. Click on here, click on a PC, go to the desktop, go to the IP configuration, and here you will get a IPv4 address. So IPv4 address, it is a Internet Protocol version 4 address, and it is 32-bit address expressed in format of 4 sets of decimal numbers, and they are separated by dot, and each set can have the value from 0 to 255. So IPv4 address ranges from 0.0.0.02 to 255.255.255.255. So this is the meaning of IPv4 address. So I want to give the IP address as 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 0 for the first PC, and I close it. So if you want to write your IP address here, so you go here, there is a symbol place note, click on this and click somewhere near the first PC. So here you can show the address what you have given to the PC 0. You can just type it for your reference, 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 0. Okay. And for the second PC, now we will give the address. Click on the second PC, go to the desktop, click on IP configuration, and I want to give the second address as 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 1. Then close this. Okay. So I assigned the address. Now you can connect the PC to the switch using straight through cable. Since these two are different devices, you should choose straight through cable. Go to the connections, choose the straight cable, click on first PC, select fast Ethernet 0, click on switch, select fast Ethernet 0/1. So initially it is in red color. It takes some amount of time to configure the switch. So after that it becomes green. Once it becomes green, now it is ready to transfer the data. Till that time we'll connect one more wire to the PC. Again select the straight through cable. Click on PC1. Select fast Ethernet 0. Click on switch. Select fast Ethernet 0/2. See the first Ethernet cable, both the side the green signal has come, and we will wait for the second cable till it becomes green. Now uh, we have assigned IP address to both the system, and we have done cabling also. Once it becomes green, now we will check whether the communication takes place in real time mode or not. So we are in real time. So first let us check what address is, see in both the cables the green signal has come. Now it is ready for communication. Let us check what address we have given by using command. Click on this, go to the command prompt and type here ipconfig command and press enter. So it will show the address 10.10.10.0. In this way, you can check the address of the computer. Here also, click on this, go to the command prompt and just you give the command ipconfig and press enter. So we will get the address as 10.10.10.1. This is the method to check the IP address of PC. So we should use the command ipconfig. Now we will check the communication taking place or not. So how to check it? Click on first computer, go to the command prompt and here you should give the command ping, ping, and you have to give the address of the computer to with which you want to communicate. So I want to communicate with the second computer. I'll give the address as 10.10.10.1 because I have given the address of the second computer as 10.10.1. Now I'll press enter. Once I press enter, it will show you 4 packets have been sent and 4 packets received and no lost. If it shows this is this shows that the communication is taking place between PC0 and PC1 in real time mode. This is the method to check in real time mode. In the same way, this is one LAN. Now we will do the connection for the second LAN. Click on this. Go to the desktop. IP configuration. Let us give the IP address first. So since this is a second LAN, we will give the different address 192.168.0 1.1.1 I'll give. Okay, any address you can give. So press OK. Then give the IP address for the second computer. Go to the desktop. Go to the IP configuration. And I will give the other address 192.168.1. In previously I gave 1.1. Now I will give 1.2. This is my second address. I will close this. Now the IP address is given. We will connect the straight through cable. Click on straight through cable. Place it on the PC. Place it on the PC. Select fast Ethernet 0. Place it on a switch. Select fast Ethernet 0/1. Again select straight through cable. Click on PC. select fast Ethernet 0, click on switch, select fast Ethernet slash 0, 0 slash 2. Both are in red. Till they become green, we will check the address of this computer. Click here, go to the command prompt and just type the command ipconfig. So if I press enter, it will show me 192.168.1.1. So in this way, you can check the address of all the computers using the command ipconfig. The first Ethernet cable has become green and the second cable also got the green signal. Now they are ready to transfer the packets. So we will check it now. Click on the first computer, go to the command prompt, and here you should give the command ping, P-I-N-G, ping, and the address of the next computer I should give 192.168.1.2 I'll give. So it should send 4 packets, receive 4 packets and lost 0. Then the communication takes place correctly. See, the sent 4 packets, received 4 packets and lost 0. So the communication is happening between PC2 and PC3. This is all about the 2 LAN. Now if I want to transmit data from first PC to the last PC, this is not possible because this PC is available in one LAN and this PC is available in another LAN. So to make the communication between this and this, we need one more third device that is called as a router. So router is a device which connects, networking device which connects to LAN and makes the communication possible between computers of one LAN with computers of PC of other LAN. So for this purpose I should choose a router. How to choose the router? Go here, networking devices. There is a option here, router. So in the router you select I want to select to 2911, that I'll select, this I'll select. So I'll place the router here. So the router is placed. Now I should connect switch of first LAN to the router and switch of second LAN to the router. So how to connect this? Click on switch. So we will get the physical device view of this. Okay, so here you have an option config. So click on config and bring the cursor down. You will get one option, gigabit ethernet /0. You should select this. This is very important in a switch. You should select gigabit ethernet /0/1. While connecting with PC, we should select fast ethernet 0. For router and a switch, we should connect ethernet 0/1. I'll click on this and you should show the port status in a on condition. That's it. Close it. Okay, so here to connect between these two, again I need a straight through cable because these two are different devices. I'll go to the straight through cable, select the straight through cable, click on switch, select gigabit ethernet 0/1 and place it on a router. Here also you should select gigabit ethernet 0/1. Now these two are in red, so it takes some time to become green. Till that time we will connect this LAN to router. Again choose the straight through cable, click on the switch, select gigabit 0/1 already we have selected. We will select 0/2, gigabit ethernet 0/2. and click on router. Here also you select gigabit Ethernet 0/2. So the connection is over now. And for the router, you just click on router. We will get the physical connection here. And there is a button. Since I am not able to see it properly, you just zoom in. So it looks nicely now. Here there is a button. You should switch on this. If I press on this, it becomes close. If I click on this, it becomes green. Green means the router is in a on. So this is on off switch. So after doing this, go to config. We have to assign address for this. Go to configuration and since this side I am taking, I have chosen gigabit Ethernet 0/1, and here you give the address for the this LAN. I have given 10.10.10.1 and 10.10.10.1, and here for this I'll give 10.10.10.2. I'll give other address 10.10.10.2. This address I'll give, and I close it. And you check the port status should be in on. You just click on it. It is very important. Click on port status and close it. And see the one symbol is green. It has become green, and this side it should become green. Now it has become orange. In a few seconds it becomes green. But other side both are red. It takes some time to become green. Till that time we'll configure this router on this side. This side you click it, and what interface we have taken, gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Click on this, give the IP address. For the second LAN I have given the IP address 192.168.1.1 I have given to the first computer, 1.2 I have given to the third computer. Now I'll give 1.3. I'll give 1.3. Okay, so I'll close it. ಇದು ಒತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ and now all the lines have got green symbol. Now all PCs, switches, routes all have become ready for the communication. See, everywhere on every Ethernet cable, 2 green symbols. See, check this, check this, check this and this. Now we know that for communication we use protocol data unit. So let us take one protocol data unit. From here it looks like a post cover. Click on this, and I want to make communication between the first computer and the last computer. So I'll drop one cover on the first computer and one cover on the last computer. So now we will go to the simulation and play simulation here. Okay, now the packet is not moving. It is showing in a red color. See, and see the status here. It is failed. The status is failed. Everywhere the packet I sent from PC0 to PC3, but it is not going. So what is the where the mistake we have done, and how to troubleshoot this error. This question you will get in a board exam. Even though the cabling is done correctly, and even though the IP address have been assigned to all the PCs correctly, and IP address to the router is assigned correctly, and cabling, even though we have chosen the straight cable, everything we have done perfectly, but why the communication is not happening between PC0 and PC3? Why everywhere we are getting cross mark, and why the status here it is showing fail? Here I am getting a status fail status. So why this is happening? So this question definitely you will get it in a board exam. So let me delete this status. I'll delete this. Okay, so the solution I'll tell you, even though everything is correct, but the communication is not happening because we have to assign the packet will go from PC0 to switch, and from switch to it should go to router, and from router to it should come to switch, and from switch to it should go to the last PC. But to do this, the PC must know the address of the router. So that we have not assigned in a PC. That mistake we have done. Purposely I have done this mistake to make you understand the communication is not possible without giving the address of the router in each PC. How to give the address of the router in each PC? I'll tell you. Go to the PC0, click on this, go to desktop, um, and click on IP configuration, and here there is a default gateway. So here you should assign the address of the router. What is the address of the router I have given? I have given on the first, for LAN A, I have given the IP address as 10.10.10.2. That I have to give. If you have forgotten the address given by the router, just click on this. Just click on this and select gigabit ethernet 0/1. You will come to know the address. Otherwise you just copy it, Control C, close it, come to the first PC, and IP configuration you click it, and here in default gateway you just paste it, the copied address you paste it. See, 10.10.10.2. Now click OK. And similarly for the second computer, again go to IP configuration. The default gateway address you just now copied, I'll paste it here. Okay. Now I assigned the IP address to both the computers in this LAN. Now I have to assign IP address of router in the second LAN also. So what address we have given for the router this side? So if you forget, if you have forgotten, click on router, click on gigabit ethernet 0/2, and here the address given is 192.168.1.3. you copy it, Control C, close it, click on PC2, click on IP configuration, and default gateway you paste it, and the last computer also click on this, go to the IP configuration, and for default gateway you paste it. So once the router address is given to the computers on this LAN and computers on this LAN, now it is ready for communication. So I'll go to the simulation and I'll bring one protocol data unit and place it on the first computer, and thus place it on the last computer because I want to communicate with these two. First time the failure may occur, otherwise the first time itself I'll get the success. Click on play button. See how the packet is going. It is going to switch. From switch it should go to router. See, the failure occurs. Always the first time failure occurs. So for that purpose you should wait till you get the status result as fail. So you will definitely get the result fail. After you get the failed result, you just delete it. Now it is showing the status is failed. First attempt the packet will become fail. Now I'll delete this. delete this. Once again I'll select one more protocol data unit. I place it on first computer and place it on the last computer, and I click on play. See, now the packet is going to router switch 1. From switch it should go to the router. See, it is not coming this side. And from router it should go to the switch. Yes, it is coming to the switch. And from switch it should come to the PC3. Yes, it is coming and it is arrived at PC3. And from PC3 the acknowledgement should go. Acknowledgement is going to the switch 2. This acknowledgement, it goes to the router, and from router it goes to the switch. It goes to the switch, and from switch the acknowledgement comes back to the PC0, which is source computer. Now you can check the status, it is successful. So in this way, by giving the IP address of the router to each of these computer, the communication takes place. So this much answer you should give for that question. Thank you for watching this video.